So today we are showing you how to wash a synthetic wig, and this would also apply to a synthetic topper. So our products that we will be using will be the body shampoo and conditioner. So first, when we are applying our wig to the mannequin head, making sure we are putting the T-pins through either side of the wig, and this will secure the wig to the head. Always comb through the hair first prior to wetting through, just to remove any tangles or product from the wig. We're going in with cold water. We don't want to use anything too hot on synthetic hair because this will burn the hair. So applying our shampoo onto a sponge, about a 20-cent size piece onto there. So we apply the shampoo in a downward motion throughout the hair. This is just to ensure we're not causing any friction to the wig. Rinsing out with the cold water, and one shampoo is plenty to use on your wig. We recommend washing this every 6 to 8 wears. However, if you have extended those wears a little bit longer, you may need to do 2 shampoos. So rinse really thoroughly, make sure there's no bubbles still lingering around in the wig. Then we're going in with the conditioner to a separate sponge. And same application, applying in a downward motion. Combing that conditioner through. And rinsing really thoroughly for the last rinse. We don't want any product sitting in the cap or the base of the wig. And also, if there is any product left over, it'll have quite an oily residue. So it's really good to make sure we rinse all the conditioner out. Then when it comes to drying the hair, we are removing these 2 T-pins from either side of the wig. We're taking the wig off the head and wrapping it into a towel and just lightly squeezing that moisture out of the hair. You don't want to wring the towel through, it's sort of just a light pat. And by doing this, this will speed up a bit of that drying time for you, because with synthetic, you'll see the water just runs straight off the hair. Then we can place it back on the head to dry. And this is where you would position your part or your fringe, comb through the hair how you wish to have the hair styled. And then that is how it should dry. Roughly, I'd say 3 to 4 hours to dry synthetic hair.